Ug karon mga kabilat na ako ipakita sa inyo about sa gi-order nako sa Temu. Ano siya mga kabilat. And the rest ani is I give to my friend here, my best friend na bata. So she is my best friend. So I will buy this. See? This is sling bag. Look. It's very good. Sling bag. So cover, open. See? And put you can put your money, your cell phone inside. This is a sling bag. You know, this is really good. See? It's very nice. It's a sling bag. And this a shoes. I will buy also this one. See? It's very beautiful, right? It's very good. And it's you know guys, when I was ordered this, I mean, paano ko to nabili? Ano to guys kumbaga free lang siya lahat. Yung mag-spin ka lang, tapos nakuha ko lahat yung free niya. Tapos yung binayaran ko na lang ito ang ano na lang niya, shipping fee na lang yun. Pero wala kang babayaran kahit ni piso diyan sa mga item na yan. So mga ano to guys, lipstick, you know, lipstick. Yan, lipstick to. See? Like this. Yeah. Put like that. So ito, marami to siyang laman. Look. There's a lot of inside. Lipstick capsule. And the next is perfume. Yeah. Ang perfume na to is nandun sa ano, nilagay ko. But ito is perfume to. Yan. Tapos ito mga eyelashes. Yan. Ito yung mga nabili ko sa ano, sa Temu. Yan. Pag ganun mo lang. Diba? Ang gara. Kaya nga. Tapos ito, beauty product. Beauty booster. Magic Skin Beautiful. So, ano to siya? BB cream. Yung bang parang foundation ba? Foundation siya dito sa face. Sa mukha. And then, itong ano, set na, ito. Paano ba ito buksan yan? Itong set ng anong tawag ito? Makeup set. Yes, makeup set to. Yan. Makeup set to guys. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Makeup set guys. Yan yung mga nabili ko sa Temu. Pero hindi ko to siya binayaran lahat. Ano to siya? 23 items. Wala akong binayaran na piso, yung binayaran ko lang is shipping fee lang. Mura lang yung shipping fee guys. Yan o. Diba? Ang ganda. Sobra. Hindi na tayo. Dito guys, hindi ka lang talaga pwede mag-makeup dito, magpaganda dito. Kasi kapag makikita ka ng amo mo, mas maganda ka pa sa kanya. Naku, ililibing kang buhay. Tapos to, mga watch. Yan. See? May mga cover pa siya. Yan. Thank you, Temu. Thank you so much. Yan. Tsaka sige, ano to siya? Lipstick to. Lipstick. Yan o. May laman siya dalawa. Tapos foundation. Basta 23 items to lahat guys. Sa Temu, mag-spin ka lang, wala kang babayaran. Ang babayaran mo lang is ang shipping fee. Yun lang. Kumbaga, pag-deliver nila. Yun lang yung babayaran mo. Nag-try na kami ng kaibigan ko dito. Alam nyo ba? Try lang namin kung totoo ba. Tapos, that time, I'm so much lucky because my friend, sister of my boss, when she gave me Quran, you know, the book of Allah, the holy book. she give me, and she give me also money, and that money I will try to pay this if this is not scam or true or scam or whatever. Hindi ko siya mabuksan. Wait lang guys, ang hirap eh. Hirap talaga niyang buksan. Parang nag-lock siya sa loob. Okay. Buksan na. Ano to siya? Parang foundation ata. Yan o. Yan. Sorry, matagal siya nabuksan kasi ano yun, ang hirap. Yan o. Foundation. Para sa mga magagandang nilalang katulad ko. Yan. Tapos, yung mga, yan, may mga, ano to, petroleum jelly, yung mga nails. Yan o. Mga fashion lang to ha. Fashion lang to lahat, fashion. Fashion lang siya. Tsaka yung iba naman, binigyan naman ng ano ko. Kasi lang, pumunta kami dito, parang naiwan ko din sa bahay niya na una. Yan o. Mga fashion lang to guys. Fashion yan. Yan yun. Thank you Timo. Thank you so much. And the other things, this is I give to Nabata. Nabata is my best friend. So this is because she helping me to how to order guys, because I'm a new here in Saudi Arabia, so she's old here, she's living old here, so she helped me how to order. So that's why so thank you so much. Thank you. This is the this things is from the Philippines. All these things is from the Philippines. Hindi na ako masyadong maganok guys kasi malapit na mag alas 10, baka abutan ako ng amo ko, kaya later na lang ako mag-continue ng vlog, okay? Tapos ito pala yung this is the book. My sister boss gave me this, and I'm so much very happy because this book is I know Allah is always with me. Allah watching me. Allah helping me and solving to all my problems, and He is the only one here. All my praise. Thank you so much for the one who gave me this. And you know guys, this book is translated to Tagalog, our language, Philippine, our language too. I'm so much lucky, and thank you so much, ma'am, madam. Thank you so much. I wish Allah give you all of your family, also my madam, my boss, my baba, all the kids are giving blessed, so much blessed to Allah. Give you all blessed, and I'm really happy and appreciate. So that's it guys. So thank you so much, and see you my next vlog.